Good day, everybody. My name is Marc-André Pelletier. I'm President and CEO of Bonterra Resources. Bonterra is a junior exploration company with a very large resource of over 3 million ounces of gold, a very large portfolio of properties, and significant infrastructures as well, such like the Bachelor Mill complex. In the challenging market conditions, we must intensify our efforts to deliver value to our stock and shareholders. Bonterra possesses a substantial gold resources situated within a very strategic mining camp. Despite our stock currently trading at an EV per ounce of US $9, we perceive this as an enticing opportunity to draw investments and reaffirm the company's value to our shareholders. The deal between Osisko and Goldfield, which involves the development of the Windfall project, reinforces and adds value to our properties. We are ideally situated both geographically in Quebec, Urban Barry Camp, and within the Abitibi Greenstone Belt. Our deposits share the same geological context as Windfall, placing us at a distinct advantage. Moreover, the timing is opportune as Goldfield plans to invest over $1 billion in infrastructure and exploration adjacent to our projects. We anticipate that our project will reap substantial benefits from these investments. Our partnership with Osisko Mining at the Duke property exemplifies our collaborative efforts. We jointly work together the development of this property by sharing technical insights on the geology of our deposits and the region. With rising inflation and interest costs, we have strategically realigned our operations and resource allocations and remain steadfast in our commitment to cost control. Here are some examples of cost reductions. We have placed the underground infrastructures at the Bachelor Moy deposit under long-term care and maintenance, resulting in an annual saving of $3 million Canadian. We have transitioned from processing most of assays at our in-house laboratory to an external one. This has significantly reduced our fixed expenses, saving us about $1 million annually. We have cut down on camp cost by designating the Barry Camp as our primary camp, saving about $500,000 a year. The last example is we have implemented a new working schedule at Barry site, which has resulted in an additional annual saving of $500,000. Now, we work quite a bit on cost reduction, but we're also generating some revenue. We have made some strategic moves. We are leasing the Bachelor Camp to the main contractor in charge of constructing the proposed Kwiku-Hatchu hydroelectric power transmission line from the Waswanipi substation to the Windfall Gold project. This generates about $1 million in revenue this year. The main one, we have begun the cleaning of the Bachelor Mill to recover the gold that was trapped in the circuit from past production activity. The revenue generated from this endeavor will be used to support the company's exploration activities in the coming month. I bring to the table a robust background in mining engineering, specifically in the gold industry, where I've held various technical and operational roles. In the last decades, my primary role has been to reopen or starting new mines and projects. I've successfully facilitated the opening of 4 underground and 1 open pit mine, focusing heavily on exploration success, execution, and production optimization. Bonterra has renewed its exploration focus, believing in the potential to expand the resources of our existing deposits and make new discoveries. We have discovered several gold showings at multiple locations, such as Duke, Moss, Bart, and Panache. Bonterra remains dedicated to the ongoing exploration of the Urban Valley Camp, where several million of ounces of gold have already been discovered to date.